What if I told you that your body is eating itself right now? Sounds terrifying, right? But what if I told you this is actually how your body heals, prevents disease, and even reverses aging? This process is called autophagy. And today I'm going to explain why it's not only normal, it might just save your life. What is autophagy? Autophagy comes from the Greek words auto meaning self and phagy meaning eating. It's your body's natural cellular recycling system. When your cells get stressed, say during fasting, they break down their old damaged parts and either recycle them or use them for energy. Think of it like spring cleaning for your body, but at the microscopic level. Imagine if your house had a system that automatically threw away broken furniture and turned it into something useful. That's exactly what autophagy does for your cells. Why autophagy matters. So why should you care about this self-cleaning process? Let me tell you about the benefits, all backed by science. Benefit 1, reduces inflammation. Autophagy reduces inflammation, which helps prevent chronic diseases like arthritis. Benefit 2, removes damaged mitochondria. It also gets rid of damaged mitochondria, those little powerhouses in your cells that are linked to aging and fatigue. Benefit 3, clears out precancerous cells. Autophagy clears out precancerous and mutated cells, lowering your risk for cancer. Benefit 4, supports brain health. It supports brain health, enhancing mental clarity and focus. Benefit 5, boosts the immune system. It strengthens your immune system, making you more resistant to illness. Benefit 6, helps reverse insulin resistance, and it helps reverse insulin resistance, which can prevent type 2 diabetes. How to trigger autophagy. Now that you know how important autophagy is, how do you trigger it? Here are the top ways. Trigger 1, fasting. Fasting is the strongest trigger. When you fast for 12 to 72 hours, autophagy kicks into high gear. For maximum results, autophagy peaks around 48 to 72 hours of fasting. Trigger 2, exercise. Exercise, especially high-intensity interval training, also triggers autophagy. HIIT boosts your body's natural cleanup process. Trigger 3, sleep. Deep sleep is essential too. Autophagy works best during your nightly rest. Your body's repair work is happening while you rest. Trigger 4, ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet encourages autophagy by reducing insulin levels and increasing fat burning. By fueling your body with healthy fats, you're supporting this natural process. Trigger 5, polyphenols. Polyphenols found in foods like green tea, turmeric, and berries can also activate autophagy. What stops autophagy? Now, let's talk about what stops autophagy. Factor 1, frequent snacking. Snacking, especially on carbs or protein, can interrupt autophagy. Frequent meals mean the body never gets a chance to trigger the autophagy process. Factor 2, sugar and insulin spikes. Sugar and insulin spikes shut down autophagy. So, if you're eating a lot of sugary foods, you're preventing your cells from cleaning house. Factor 3, eating late at night. Eating late at night also prevents autophagy from happening. Common misconceptions. Let's clear up a few common misconceptions about autophagy. Misconception 1, will I lose muscle? Some people worry they'll lose muscle if they fast. The truth is, fasting actually increases growth hormone levels, which helps preserve muscle. Fasting doesn't make you lose muscle, it helps you maintain it. Misconception 2, is autophagy dangerous? Autophagy itself is completely natural, but extreme fasting should be done carefully and under supervision. Always listen to your body and consult with a professional if you're considering extreme fasting. Misconception 3, does coffee stop autophagy? Here's a fun fact. Black coffee can actually enhance autophagy. Studies show that coffee may stimulate autophagy. Just stick to black coffee, no sugar or milk. Final takeaway, your body knows how to heal itself. You just need to give it the right conditions. Let autophagy work for you, whether it's through fasting, eating clean, or making smarter lifestyle choices. Drop a kick in the comments if you've ever fasted. Want a full breakdown on how to fast for maximum autophagy? Subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss out.